Okay, so just continuing, and this time we're simplifying some radicals, and this time we have variables with exponents beneath them. So the trick is, with the exponent attached to the variable, you're just going to take whatever the exponent is and divide that exponent by your index. So I'm going to take 12 and divide it by an index of 2. Remember, no index means a square root. Well, how many times does 2 go into 12? 6. So that is my answer, x to the 6th power. That's all I have to do. Okay? Because there's no remainder, there are no x's left on the inside. Same idea here. This time I'm going to do 13 divided by 3. Well, 3 goes into 13 4 whole times. I have a remainder of 1. So my outside exponent is the 4, and my inside exponent is the 1. Now obviously I do not need to have that 1 there, because no exponent means to the 1st power. Make sure that you notice I have the cube root there in front of the radical. That is essential, that you have the correct index matching the original problem. Okay, now I'm going to do 3 divided by 2, and I get 1, remainder 1. 10 divided by 2, I get 5, no remainder. And 11 divided by 2, I get 5, remainder 1. So I'm going to have 1x, 5y's, and 5z's outside my radical. And inside my radical, I'm going to have x to the 1st and z to the 1st. You might be wondering, why are there no y's? Well, because there was no remainder attached to those y's. It was just 5 times no remainder. And what do I do down here? Well, you treat the 50 like we normally did. 25 and 2, 5 and 5. Bring down that 2. Okay? So I have a 5 on the outside. You treat the exponent. 9 divided by 2. I get 4, remainder 1. So 5x to the 4th, and then square root of that 2, and the x to the 1st power. Okay? Looking over here, negative, but it's inside a cube root, so that's okay. That just means my answer is going to be negative. Let's split up 81, 9 and 9, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, cube root, so 3 3's get circled, 1 gets crossed out. 7 divided by 3 is 2, remainder 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And I cannot divide 1 by 3. So, remember I said it was negative 3 on the outside, x squared, y to the 5th, no z's, and then I have cube root of 3xz left on the inside. Last but not least, 4th root this time. So 8 and 8, 4 and 2, 4 and 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I'll bring down the other 2's. I'll circle 4 2's. 1, 2, 3 get crossed out. 7 divided by 4 is 1 with a remainder of 3. So I have 2x to the 1st power, and then the 4th root of 4x to the 3rd power. You might be wondering why 4. The 2 and the 2 that are left together multiply to make 4. And then the 3 remainder attaches to my x cubed. So that's how we simplify all of those problems with exponents.